Hello, this is Mrs. Taylor, and I'm just going to quickly walk you through how to multiply polynomials. The way I know it's multiplication is I look at the parentheses, and between them there's nothing. There's no plus sign, there's no minus sign, there's no division, so I know it's multiplication. Parentheses can indicate multiply. So what I do to multiply is I take each term in the first set of parentheses and I distribute it to every single term in the second set of parentheses. So if I distribute 2n squared, I would have 2n squared times n squared. Remember, when you multiply like bases, you add the exponent, so it'd be 2n to the fourth. 2n squared times 5n, well, I multiply the 2 and the 5, which would be positive 10. N squared times n, again, add the exponents. And then 2n squared times negative 1 would just be negative 2n squared. Now, I take the second term in the first set of parentheses and I distribute that. So negative 3 times n squared would be negative 3n squared. Negative 3 times 5n would be negative 15n. And then negative 3 times negative 1 would be positive 3. So after I've distributed every term in my first set of parentheses to every term in the second set, now it's just like addition. I just combine like terms. So if I look at my exponents, I have 2n to the fourth, and there's no other term with an exponent of 4. So it doesn't have a like term. And then 10n cubed is the same way. But then I get to my squared terms and have negative 2n squared and negative 3n squared, which makes negative 5n squared. Remember, when you're adding, you don't change the exponents. The exponents are simply there for you to see your like terms. And then negative 15n, it's a loner, and so is the plus 3. And I've already got them written in descending order with my exponents, so that would be my final simplified answer. And that's how you would multiply polynomials.